Hello everyone. Today we'll be going over the installation process for our new MLOK adapters. Some of the changes we've made from our past MLOK adapters to this one these are a lot less bulky, these are more streamlined, and these adapt directly onto your conventional helmet mount. These replace the old faceplate, which could be this one or a T-Money faceplate, and go directly on to the helmet mount, unlike the previous ones that are an adapter for your already ARC or fast helmet mounts. These will come with two of these faceplates, two screws, and two T-nuts. You'll need your own Phillips screw, but if you have a headset and helmet already before you have a Phillips screw, what are you doing? Either way, let's get right into the installation process. All right, so we're gonna start with the T-nut part of the installation. So for the T-nut, we're gonna wanna get it into this middle slot right here. And to do so, we're gonna first put in the T-nut into this top slot right above it. We're gonna try to line it up with that smaller middle one. And then next we're gonna have to screw this middle screw, and then about 50% unscrew this one right here. We'll go ahead and do that now. All right, now that we have that middle one unscrewed all the way, and then that bottom one about 50%, you're just gonna wanna lift on the rail system a little bit. And the T-nut should slide right down into that middle slot, just like that. And so that T-nut is now good to go, and we can now reattach that middle screw and then re-tighten that bottom screw. And we'll go ahead and do that now. All right, now that we got that all set up, we got the T-nut right in that slot where we want it. Keep in mind, it might look like it's horizontal or maybe a little bit off of being horizontal, but once you start screwing in the screw for it, it will adjust to the vertical position, which is the position you'll need it in for the most secure fitment. So don't worry about that too much. Now, grabbing our helmet mounted headset, I want to set up the new MLOK faceplate onto it. Keep in mind, this CGS logo, you're going to want it on the bottom side, closest to the ear cup. We'll just slide in the screw. This nub is going to line up with this slot right here, and then the nub on the other side is going to line up with the one right over here. Now that it's all in place, I have to do screw it. You'll just have to adjust the tightness to where you like it. You could probably go a little tighter. And there it is. You now have your headset mounted onto your MLOK rail system with the new MLOK faceplate adapters.